students, welcome to online biology classes. So this is the third chapter, human reproduction, and second class. In first class we covered some terminologies and the events. The human beings are sexual reproducing organism, they are unisexual, they are viviparous. So the major event of sexual reproduction means gametogenesis takes place both male and female body. Insemination means transfer of male gamete from the male reproductive tract into the female reproductive tract. Fertilization takes place in the female body where the male and female gamete fuse to form the diploid zygote. That zygote undergo repeated mitotic division and turn into morula blastocyst. That blastocyst will undergo attachment to the endometrium layer of the uterus one, and that process is called the implantation. From that point onwards, the pregnancy starts, means gestation period starts. So that is almost 9 months, 9 days. Clear? So after completing this gestation period, the baby is ready to come outside. The giving birth to anyone is called the parturition. So all these events take place only after attainment of the sexual maturity. Clear? So the next topic is the male reproductive system. So here two figures are there. So we will cover in detail. Before that, what includes the male reproductive system? The male reproductive system made up of first the primary one. These are primary sex organs. Yes. So primary sex organ means it includes pair of testes. So if you take this figure, so this is the testis, and in this figure the pair of testes are there. So these are the primary organ. Why these are called as primary organ means the testis is a site or an organ where the gametes are produced after gametogenesis. Means sperms are produced inside to this one, and some the testicular hormones also secrete from this organ. Androgenic hormones secrete from the testis one. So that's why the testis is the primary sex organ. So gametes are produced here only, and they are directly involved in the sexual reproduction activity. So secondary sex organs secondary sexual organs means they are not responsible for the production of sperms, but they are involved in the sexual reproduction one. So in that one, so accessory ducts are. So only collective terms and collective accessory ducts. In detail structure we will write afterwards. Accessory ducts are there. Ducts means these are tube-like structure. Then accessory glands are there. So in this glands some enzymes, some hormones are secreted. So these are also responsible for the proper functioning of the male reproductive system. And external genitalia means the organ which is externally visible, that is nothing but this penis or the penis, that is external genitalia. So collectively the male reproductive system is made up of primary sex organ, that is a testis. Secondary sexual organ include this one, accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia. Clear? So in detail parts we will cover after covering these two figures. Clear? So this is the male reproductive system. Now all these organs function in coordinated manner and respond for the proper functioning of the reproduction event. Clear? So they are integrated and they are well coordinated. So now we are going to cover both figures parallel. Clear? So first one, when you take the male reproductive system, the pair of testes is present in the sac-like structure that is called as the scrotum. That scrotum is present in the groin area in between the two legs. So why this testis is present in the scrotum sac? That is a pouch-like structure. So initially during the embryonic development, this testis is present in the abdominal cavity. During embryonic development, gradually that will descend and come into the scrotum sac. This pouch-like structure is called as a scrotum, and this is the testis. So this is scrotum. It is a sac-like structure. Inside to this one, testis is there. Yes? Now, testis, T-E-S-T-E-S means that the plural, T-E-S-T-I-S means that is singular. This is a testis present in the scrotum. What is the significance of scrotum means? Body temperature inside the abdomen or the internal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Yes? But for the spermatogenesis, required temperature is almost 35.5 degrees Celsius. So if the testis is present in the abdominal cavity, spermatogenesis will not take place. So if it is present in the scrotum, now inside the scrotum temperature is 35 to 35.5 degree Celsius. Yes? So this temperature is required for the proper spermatogenesis. Means, what is the significance of scrotum means? Scrotum will provide the optimum temperature which is required for the spermatogenesis. Clear? So the testis, when you observe this testis, so this is a scrotum and this is testis. So length of the testis from anterior to posterior, that is almost 4 to 5 centimeter length, and width is almost 2 to 3 centimeter. Clear? So dimension. So it is well protected in the scrotal sac. The main 1 marks or 2 marks question means what is the scrotum and what is the significance of the scrotum. Scrotum is a pouch-like, sac-like structure in which testis is located. The temperature which is required for the spermatogenesis, that is 2 degrees Celsius less than the body temperature, is available in the scrotum. Clear? The scrotum facilitates the proper temperature that is visible for the spermatogenesis. So scrotum and the testis. Yes? So when you take the testis one, so almost it is 4 to 5 centimeter length, 2 to 3 centimeter width, and 1 to 2 centimeter in the thickness one. So inside the testis, almost the lobules, almost 250 chambers are there. That chambers are called as a testicular lobules. Testicular lobules. So these are the chambers. If you take any testis, either this one, that one. So inside this one, almost 250 small chamber-like structures are there. That is called the testicular lobules. So inside to this lobules, so inside this chamber, so roughly 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules are there. So if you observe this one, I am drawing 3 testicular seminiferous. So in each testicular lobule, 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules are there. This black color is nothing but the seminiferous tubule. So this is seminiferous tubules. So if you take diagrammatically, these 3 are the seminiferous tubules. So which is present in this testicular tubule. So this seminiferous tubule lined by some special cells. This is germinal epithelium. So these are the 3 seminiferous tubules. Inside that one, 2 special cells are there. So this blue color cell is called as a spermatogonia or sperm mother cell. This blue color cell. Yes. Some special cells are there. These are little bit elongated tubular structures. So like this one. So here. So these are the Sertoli cells. This black color. So try to understand. So this is the testis. Inside almost 250 testicular lobules are there. Inside the testicular lobules 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules are there. So when you take each seminiferous tubule, so it is lined by the two types of cell. One is a spermatogonia or the sperm mother cell, and second one, this one is a Sertoli cells. Now try to understand what event takes place in this seminiferous tubule. This spermatogonia cell undergo meiosis and produce sperms. So every spermatogonia cell undergo meiosis and produce sperms. Yeah, means spermatogenesis takes place inside the seminiferous tubule. The immature spermatozoa attach to this Sertoli cell and will get the nourishment from this Sertoli cell. So spermatogonia or the sperm mother cell undergo meiosis and produce 4 spermatozoa. These spermatozoa attach to this Sertoli cell, and the Sertoli cell will provide the nourishment for the developing spermatozoa. So ultimately, inside this seminiferous tubule, sperms are produced. Can you imagine? So these are the seminiferous tubule. These are present in testicular lobules. So these testicular lobules are present in the testis. So apart from this, these red color dots, this space, the space which is present between the seminiferous tubule is called the interstitial space. Can you see this one? This space, the gap which is present in this seminiferous tubule, this is called the interstitial space, and these cells are called as the interstitial cell or Leydig cells or the interstitial cells. This red color cell. These red colors, Leydig cells, secretes testicular hormone, for example, testosterone. Yes. So secondary sexual character is decided by the testosterone or the testicular hormones. That hormones are secreted from this Leydig cell. So 3 types of cells are there. So either it is a 2 or 3 marks question. So type of cell they are going to ask. Spermatogonia or the sperm mother cell. These are the gamete mother cell. Undergo meiosis, produce the spermatozoa. Sertoli cell. This will provide the nutrition. Yes, to the developing spermatozoa. Leydig cell produce the testicular hormones. Testicular hormones, for example, testosterone. Testosterone. So this is the internal structure, okay, inside the testicular. So now come to the outside, means outside the testicle. When the sperms are produced in seminiferous tubule, these sperms will move through this accessory ducts. These are the secondary sexual character. Now, which are the main part comes under the accessory duct means, now the sperms are produced in this seminiferous tubule. This seminiferous tubule connected to this blue color structure, that is vasa efferentia, through this green color structure is called the rete testis. Clear? So this green color portion is called as a rete testis. Clear? This This blue color is called as a vasa efferentia. So only 3 to 4 lines are there. Try to understand. Seminiferous tubule are connected to the vasa efferentia through rete testis. So these are the seminiferous tubule which is connected to this blue color vasa efferentia through this rete testis. Rete testis also extracellular, vasa efferentia is also extracellular. Now this vasa efferentia leave the testis. It will come outside the testis and open into this black color structure is called the epididymis. This black color structure is called the epididymis. Now, one more time. Seminiferous tubule are connected to the vasa efferentia through rete testis. Vasa efferentia leave the testis and open into the tubular structure that is called the epididymis. Epididymis present almost the anterior side, lateral side and the posterior side. So this is the longest part of the tubular structure. Now this epididymis open into the longest structure that is called the tubular structure. This is called the vasa deferens. So this blue color structure is called the vasa deferens. So in this way, so this is the testis. Inside seminiferous tubules are there. That seminiferous tubules open into the rete testis. Rete testis open into the vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia open into the epididymis. Epididymis open into this tubular structure. This is called vas deferens. Now this vasa deferens leave the scrotal sac and will ascend and come into the abdominal cavity. Clear? So testis, then all these extracellular present in this testis only, scrotal sac only. Only vasa deferens will leave the scrotum and come into the abdominal cavity and encircle this urinary bladder. So in this figure it is good. This is the vasa deferens. It comes to the abdominal cavity, it encircles the urinary bladder, and at the posterior, means at the distal end, it dilates and forms a little bit dilated structure that is called the ampulla. Now this vasa deferens receive the duct from the seminal vesicle. Right? Understand? So this is the vasa deferens. It encircles the urinary bladder, and this green color structure is called the seminal vesicle. So this is the accessory gland. This seminal vesicle have small duct. The duct from the seminal vesicle and vasa deferens, both to combine form the common tube that is called ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. So this portion, so take this figure. So these two are the vasa deferens come to the scrotal sac. It will enter into the abdominal cavity and come to the abdomen, and this is the ampulla, and it will receive the duct from this seminal vesicle and form a common duct that is called the ejaculatory duct. So in this figure, so this is called seminal vesicle, and this duct is called the ejaculatory duct. Yes? You understood? Ejaculatory duct. Now, these ejaculatory duct receive the duct from the urinary bladder. So, this black structure is called as a urinary bladder. In this figure, so this is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. The duct-like structure which arises from the urinary bladder, this is called the urethra. The urethra arises from the urinary bladder. and it receives the ejaculatory duct from the both sides, and this urethra passes through the male genital, means initially it passes through the prostate gland, then bulbourethral gland. This red color structure is nothing but prostate gland. Prostate gland, and this black color structure is called the bulbourethral. Bulbourethral gland. Yes. So the urethra, which is arise from the urinary bladder, first pass through the prostate gland. Inside that one, two ejaculated also connected. Then this urethra pass through pair of bulbourethra. Now, seminal vesicles are 2 in number. Prostate gland is 1, and again pair of bulbourethral gland present on the both sides of this urethra. Now, this urethra pass through the main copulatory organ, that is nothing but the penis. So this is urethra, and this muscular part is called the penis or the penis. The urethra passes through the penis. The end of the urethra, that is called the urethral meatus. The opening of the urethra is called the urethral meatus. So at this junction only, the penis is little bit dilated. That portion is called as a glans penis. This portion is covered by thin skin-like structure, that is called as foreskin. So this black color covering is called as the foreskin in this figure. So try to explain it. So this is a urethra pass through the prostate gland, and this is the bulbourethral gland. This red color is so this is prostate gland, and this black color is the bulbourethral gland, and this urethra passes through these glands and passes through the external genital, that is called the penis, and the tube-like structure is called the urethra. This bulk portion is called as the glans penis, and which is covered by the foreskin. So now so in the beginning of this topic, we write the secondary sex organs are the accessory duct and accessory gland. Now try to highlight which are the accessory ducts. Accessory duct means radial testis, vasa pharyngia, epididymis, and vasa deferens. Clear? So these are the accessory ducts. Accessory gland means is a red color label. Seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland. These are the accessory gland. Now, what is the function of this penis means? The penis is a special copulatory organ which is made up of special muscles. During the copulation, it became erect, and this penis helped in the insemination, means transfer of the male gamete into the female reproductive tract. So this is the external genitalia which is externally visible. Clear? Now, what are the function of this glands? some pair of seminal vesicle means seminal vesicle is 1, 2. So this is the seminal vesicle, green color portion. The pair of seminal vesicle and one prostate gland and pair of bulbourethral. The secretion of these glands contain some important substances such as fructose, calcium, some hormones, even some enzymes, which help in the fertilization also, and even the secretion of the bulbourethral gland help in the lubrication. Clear? So this is about the male reproductive part. So ultimately, testis is the primary organ. Accessory ducts, rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa deferens are the accessory ducts, and seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland, these are the accessory gland. External genitalia means this is the muscular penis or the penis one. So some sub question means what is the significance of scrotum they are going to ask, and what is the function of Sertoli cell, what is the function of Leydig cell or the spermatogonia. These are the sub questions. Clear? So it is a figure based explanation only. Try to draw this figure once or twice. Clear? So both figure carry findings. In examination, usually most asked question means draw the neat label diagram of male reproductive system. Otherwise, name the accessory ducts which are present in the male reproductive system. Name the accessory glands which are present in the male reproductive system. These are the 2 or 3 marks question. Clear? So this is little bit easy topic. Clear? So make perfect of this topic one. So we'll meet in the next class with the female reproductive organ. There are also some figures are there. Till then, take care. Goodbye.